Hey, we're back. Welcome to the Chris
And Andrea.
Cooking Show. What we're doing today is what?
Chicken roll-ups.
Chicken roll-ups?
Barbecue.
Okay, we're going to do chicken roll-up barbecue. Okay. I'm chopping the chicken. She's doing the
Banana peppers.
banana peppers, and we have to have barbecue sauce.
And shredded cheese.
And shredded cheese. And this is the banana peppers.
And the tortilla wraps.
And tortilla wraps. We'll show y'all that in a minute. Okay. Let's chop this bird up. Sort of cheated on the bird. You go to Walmart and get you a cold bird. Or cold roasted bird. And then you just chop him up. You got him ready. Yes, sir.
I've already got my peppers done. Unless you want more.
Go on, how many goes you want in there?
I like a lot of banana peppers.
Yeah, I love banana peppers. Peppers.
Well.
Ooh. Coffee babies.
Walter left me.
Yep, he gone with Amber now. Walter's gone.
You heard the song.
Yep. He got his hugga wugga going on.
Well, you made me do it.
Let me know what you think.
I don't like it. Unless you're just going to use it all.
Well, you know. We only have how many more shells left?
I don't know. I might drop some whole.
What? Banana peppers?
I think it'll take like 3.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's enough meat. So, you chop your meat up. And you chop your peppers. Put them in there. And she's gonna add a few whole ones. She loves some whole peppers.
This causes jars, I was thinking.
Yeah, in the jars I'm too. You know. Then you just take the cheese and you add as much cheese as you like. You like to be cheesy.
We like a lot of cheese.
I don't have no issues today, so I don't need a lot of cheese to stock me up. I'm good on that department today.
Alright, that's all I can get out of there.
My bowels ain't flowing, so I don't have to worry about that today. Don't stop. I'm good. That's a little dry. I'm going to add a little bit more barbecue. You just add to your texture, whatever, you know, you want it to be. If you want it to be a little juicy or a little dry or whatever, however your preference on the barbecue sauce. And we're just blending everything together with a spoon. Take those poppers out and we'll put them on the tray with a popper tray. Popper tray, popper tray, popper tray. Oh well, the popper's gonna be done. And these are the tortilla shells we got. Yeah. we're gonna just put it over here. Woo. Well, that ain't gonna work. Okay. God bless you. Okay. We're gonna take the tortilla. You're just gonna scoop a little bit in there.
I like to wash dishes as I go.
You're gonna scoop it in there like that. Then we're gonna fold this side, like that. Then we're gonna set it in the pan, that one. Just set it like that. If you can see the pan. There you go. Oh, I'm getting you washing dishes too, ma'am.
Yeah. I like to wash dishes as I go.
Yeah, she take after her auntie dear.
It'll be a big mess later.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fill these tortillas up. About 2 spoonfuls is enough, each one. You can get bigger shells. This is according to the shell size you want to use. We're just folding them and put them in. Okay. We got one more to go. I'll show y'all what these look like. That's what they look like when you pop them in the oven. Okay?
For about 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes. And then they come out cooked. And we're going to try these. Come on, guys. Try your bite.
You try one.
Which one? Grab one.
I'm gonna get this one. That one's falling apart.
I know, a little bit. Okay, here we go. Our taste.
Ouch. Oh, it was like my 4th time making them too.
Oh, so you are trying. This is my first time. Ready? From our kitchen to yours.
From our kitchen to yours.
Keep on cooking.
Keep on cooking.
Like and share. Thank you.